I look like a fucking mafia boss with this fucking beard and haircut, I know. But today's topic is AI. Like, can AI help you in your self improvement? And that's something really new and kind of interesting. So I thought, hey, let's see if I can educate you, bro, about like, should you use it? Is there anything that can help you with it? AI, I don't have to explain you what it fucking is. It's artificial intelligence. I hope you haven't been fucking living under a rock. But there's like this question now of like, should you use it for self improvement? How should you use it? What can you use? Of course, the classic answer like ChatGPT is like the answer for everything. So, oh my god, just use ChatGPT. Like, imagine you want to do like a workout plan, right? And you're like, fuck, man, I don't know what I should train. I don't know what I should do this. I don't know what I should do that. I'm working on like a little, workout plan. Every fucking self improvement YouTuber has to do a fucking workout plan for you, bro. It's gonna be free, but I mean. But the question is like, how should you use ChatGPT or different platforms? And we will get into that. ChatGPT is very simple. Make an account. It's free. There's a premium for like if you don't want to wait when the servers are down or like too much used. Just refresh the fucking button till it's gone, like the error message, and you're inside. You can literally write like, I have 1 hour a day or what the fuck you want, and you want to like make a workout plan. It's gonna hit you with a fucking good workout plan. Of course, with the limits of AI and like I think the information that it has is like stuck in like 2021 or some shit around that. Or maybe they changed it with the new update. I don't know, bro. I'm not the biggest AI giga chat info mastermind. I'm not. I just know the basics. Or you can just ask like what's some interesting businesses or whatever. Anything that's related to self improvement. You can fucking answer that. And sometimes when it's like unfiltered shit, like some pretty messy down bad type of questions, or I mean, sometimes you're gonna get like an error message of like, as a chat gpt as a AI model, I cannot answer you that because blah blah blah. There's different like what do you call them, jailbreaks on AI that you can give ChatGPT and it's fucking broken and you fucking have an unfiltered AI. But ChatGPT is not the only AI you can use for self improvement. Let's say you want to start a business, right? And you need some inspiration or like just inspiration. There's this website called, I think, character.ai. Also free, you can make an account, boom boom. Same as ChatGPT. But you can talk to AI versions of people. There's also a Hamza version of it. You can fucking talk to Hamza. It's pretty fucking accurate, but keep in mind it's an AI. Yeah, it's smart, but take it with a grain of salt. So if you want to have a fucking business talk with, I don't know, an idol of yours, that's fucking possible. You can like ask him, what do you think of this idea, blah blah blah. Still take it with a grain of salt, because that's an AI. It's not like that giga brain, you know what I mean? Or something like logos or whatever you need inspiration. There's something on fucking Discord thing called Mid Journey, like like a server that has like a. It's called Mid Journey, I think. It's a bot. You can like ask, not ask, but like write in like appointment or like a booking, whatever you want to call it, of like, I want a fucking picture of a dog with a sombrero in 4K. He's at the beach, some shit, whatever. Or you want a logo, whatever. It's gonna hit you with a fucking good picture. Of course, you cannot use it directly in commercial ways, I think, but to get your mind working, that's fucking great. As well as if you like need a person to talk to, just in general, like you have a little lonely time, you can't socialize with your homeboys right now, bro. You can just go on this fucking Mid Journey, not Mid Journey, fucking character.ai. Don't go too deep into it, bro. I don't want to fucking see you Hey, Brick, how? What's the best character I can talk to? I don't have friends. This is just like when you're truly down bad. You're just fucking bored, and maybe you want to just have a little deep talk with like one of your idols or smart people, whatever. You can use that. But don't make your whole social circle AI, please, okay? You're not down bad. You're not that down bad, bro, okay? Maybe I'll make an AI version of me. Fuck that, bro. You just see me on the fucking website. Brick self improvement. Boom, boom. But yeah, just don't like go too deep into every platform. If it will be ChatGPT, don't go too deep. Like, let's say you're starting a business about copywriting, and I'm a copywriter. You shouldn't let ChatGPT do everything because, first of all, it's not that high quality. Yes, it can do some okay copy, but there's already like what do you call them? Sensors, or like detectors that can detect that's written by AI. Because AI has a like style to it. Like even you can like kind of recognize, okay, that's written by AI. Like I've seen like YouTube videos that have like in the description a fucking like purest form of AI written content. It's the dumbest shit. Yeah, don't just rely on AI for everything. Even if you're starting a YouTube channel, don't rely on AI for everything. Because it's gonna get plain fast. And when everybody's using AI, there's nothing special about you, bro. You gotta be the one that stands out. Like, I'm not fucking made out of AI, am I? Or maybe I am. You don't know. Hold on, bro. But you know me. Of course, I use a little bit of AI and everything for my crypto, for my copywriting business. Of course, I'm honest. As well as if you have any questions and you can't find on Google, I ask ChatGPT. But you still gotta verify it, you know. Take everything that you hear or learn from AI platforms with a grain of salt, like a little bit of spice to it, bro. Ask multiple people, asking multiple AIs, maybe, but just verify everything. And don't rely too much on AI. You're still a human after all. Maybe tomorrow fucking Elon Musk drops an AI update to every human or whatever, a cyborg update. Then okay, go ahead. But you know what I mean. I look buff as shit, by the way. Yeah, that's what I wanted to talk, you know, quick rant, quick talk. I know I was gone for a while. Because you know, I'm building on some shit. It's gonna be hyped. If you're just interested, subscribe. If you're really interested, turn on the notifications. But at the end, it's your choice. You know what I mean? I don't know who you are exactly. I don't know where you fucking live, and I don't need to. I'm not a fucking serial killer, okay, bro? But take care of yourself, bro. I'm proud of you, bro. Keep going.